Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can change your box braids into a goddess lock style. I didn't personally do it, but I did leave one braid to show you guys how to achieve a goddess lock from box braids if you ever wanted to try it. I also will show you guys how to achieve goddess locks from your natural hair, or if you ever wanted to try this style and didn't know how, keep on watching. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that red button so we can glow and grow together, okay? So let's get right into this video. Okay, so I will be inserting a clip somewhere, maybe like right here, to show you guys how to achieve wavy ends on your braids. So that is how, because the whole point of goddess locks is so that you have wavy ends at the end of your dreads. Okay. So I have my Marley hair, and it's basically the same thing. Like, I'm just gonna pick any color really. It's the same thing that we've been doing forever. Wrapping, and then once you get to the end, you're just gonna leave it to be wavy. You know? Alright. So I'm gonna fast forward the part of me, you know, because I feel like if you're a real one, you've seen my video on box braids to faux locks, which I will leave in the description box below or even in one of these corners. But enough talking. Oof. So I wonder how many of my subscribers are into Nicki Minaj or prefer Cardi B or support both of them, because you know I can already tell that I'm not gonna need, I only need this much more, so I'm not gonna use this whole thing. So I'll like cut this much and separate it, because that was thick. I don't need all that. Okay. So where we left off, just put that around and to rest. And then this is how you get a goddess look. And of course, if you want your end to be more curly or more wavy, you could always curl it back and dip it in hot water again. So now I'm just going to be showing you guys how to achieve goddess locks in general on, you know, just your normal hair. Hey guys! So keep on watching so that you guys can get goddess locks just like this one. Some things you're going to need are your crochet hook, your super glue, some scissors, and of course your Marley hair, and a Freetress kind of hair. I didn't have the pack because these are just leftovers, but that is in the style Deepwave. So of course you want to begin by sectioning off your hair. Your hair can be sectioned off in bigger pieces than this. I just did a smaller piece just because, but so you're not going to braid the braid all the way down. You want to leave space for the Freetress hair. So now I'm just going to braid in the Freetress hair all the way down. Well, you don't even have to go all the way down. You can just stop wherever you want to. And you could even start your hair with the Freetress hair and braid it together. But sometimes that's harder because the Freetress hair is a very soft hair, so it's easy to like curl up inside of the braid. Alright, so now that I'm done braiding, I could have left a little bit more, but you're going to take your Marley hair, and I'm just separating it because that was a really thick piece. And also, you could leave the thickness of it, that just makes your goddess lock bigger as well. So like always, we're going to stick through the top, latch the Marley hair on, and pull through. Alright, so since the piece that we're doing is not that long, I'm leaving a lot of the remainder hair next to the braid because I'm just going to wrap it underneath. Alright, so just like we've seen before, when you get to the end, you want to cut it off first because that was a lot of extra hair. But cut in a diagonal so that it's easy to get it tapered when you wrap back up. It'll be easier for when you go and glue it down. So I'm just wrapping it back up and then I'm going to super glue. Voila! There is goddess lock number 1. Good job, guys. You made it through. And then I'm just showing you guys here together how they look. Now the next step I'm going to show you is just how to get a longer goddess lock when adding braiding hair. So I'm adding the braiding hair because I want my goddess lock to be like long down to my back. So you're just going to braid it into your hair just like we did before. And then stop halfway or wherever you want. You can even stop all the way at the end of your hair and just add in the wavy hair. And once you get like to a certain point that you want to stop, you can just glue it down or you can just leave it. It's up to you because whatever is like not looking good. It's gonna get wrapped up by the Marley hair anyways. Alright, so this time I didn't leave that much hair down by the length of the braid because this one is longer, so I'm going to be using more of the hair to wrap it down. And this part is totally optional. So at the end, I like to customize the waves. I don't like how some are really thick, so I end up splitting the wavy hair in half and just getting rid of some of that hair so it's not as thick at the bottom. And then trimming it so that it's not so long either. And that's totally optional. You can leave the waves however you want to. It's your preference. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope that it was helpful to anybody. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it and comment some things that you guys might want to see on my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.